The Mazda CX-30 key fob can be opened to replace the battery, which is a common task. First, locate the release tab on the back of the fob. This tab, often marked with an arrow, needs to be pressed inward to disengage the internal latch. Once pressed, gently pry the two halves of the fob apart. You can use your thumbs or a non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry tool. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the internal circuitry. The key fob typically uses a CR2032 battery. If the release tab is stuck, ensure there is no debris obstructing it before attempting to pry it open. Remember that improper opening of the key fob can void the warranty. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Note the polarity of the old battery before removing it. The positive side faces up. Remove the old battery carefully. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Now, reassemble the key fob by snapping the two halves back together. Ensure the release tab clicks into place, securing the fob. After reassembly, test the fob to ensure it's functioning correctly by checking the proximity unlock feature. If your fob has a mechanical key for emergency access, remember that this key remains separate and doesn't need to be removed during this process. If the fob does not work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the battery is new and fully charged.